book ladies have huge libraries, and we'd love to share with you how we grow big libraries real fast. So your first step would be to order one of our kits. This is an example of our large kit, which is $125. You're going to get about a $280 value there. It's going to include picture books, activity books, chapter books, bestsellers, things to give you a great variety of what we have to offer. You can keep them for your family, you can keep them for displays, you can give them away, you can gift them for birthday presents, totally up to you. But it's a great little starter library to fill a shelf at your home. What's next? You're going to host your first party. From your first party, you get to earn all those rewards. And guess what? You get double rewards during your first 8 weeks with UBAM. What does that look like? An average party nets a consultant $140 in free rewards and free books of your choice, and $100 in half price. So what does $140 worth of books look like? It might look like this. Our very first reading library, which has 50 books to get your kiddos a strong, solid reading foundation at home, from sight word reading all the way through level 2. Maybe you have some littles that you'd love, some picture books, some baby books, some more That's Not My Books. This is what $140 worth of books looks like. You see your library shelf getting fuller, but we still haven't picked any of our half price books. So you have, from the average party, that half price amount is $100. So maybe you'd like to add this phonics reading set, the value of $70, and a couple of our really popular flat books to gift to someone. So look at that. You've joined and you've hosted one party, and look at how abundant your shelves are going to feel. But because you're the consultant, you have access to some discount books every time you close out a party. And because this party is for you, you can use them on yourself. So maybe you're going to add some chapter books to your library for family read-alouds or for older kids. Let's see, hopefully this doesn't fall, right? And then we have this amazing reward system when you start out with UBAM. And from this great party, you've probably reached the first tier of that reward system, which means you get to pick out $25 worth of books for you at no cost. Look at that. So you've joined, you've bought one kit. Let's see if we can see this all. And look at your home library. This is what we're talking about. And this is just the beginning of your library opportunities for the family. You can be book rich.